Hi kids, welcome to Edutoon World. Today we are going to learn about transport. Let's go on a fun ride and discover different types of transport. First we have land transport. These are vehicles that move on roads or tracks. Bicycle, car, school bus, auto rickshaw, van, tractor, motorbike, crane, ambulance, police car, truck, scooter, next is water transport. These moves on water like rivers, seas and oceans. Say it with me. Boat, ship, submarine, yacht. Now let's fly high with air transport. Aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, glider. Now you know the names of many transport vehicles. Land, water and air transport is everywhere. Thanks for learning with us at Edutoon World. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye bye little explorers.